We'll guide you through how to create text animation in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and start a new project by clicking on the plus icon. Import your video clip where you want to add the text animation. Once your video is loaded into the timeline, go to the top menu and click on the text option. Here, you can select Add Text to create a new text layer. Type in the text you want to appear in your video. After entering your text, head over to the right panel where you can customize the font, size, and color to match your video's style. To animate the text, click on the Animation tab in the same panel. CapCut provides a range of preset animations like fade, slide, and zoom. Click on any of these to see a preview in the video. You can also adjust the duration of the animation by dragging the edges of the text layer in the timeline. For more advanced effects, you can use the Custom option under the Animation tab. This allows you to keyframe specific movements and create more dynamic text animations. Simply click to add keyframes at different points on the timeline and adjust the position or scale of your text. You can play back your video to see how the animation looks in real time. Once you are satisfied, make sure to save your project and export the final video by clicking on the Export button at the top right. Now you have a professionally animated text in your CapCut video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.